In this question, we have to provide the shape of the given molecules. The first one is XCOF4. In this complex, xenon is the central atom which is surrounded by 1 oxygen and 4 fluorine atoms. Xenon contains 8 electrons in their valence shell. Among these 8 electrons, 4 electrons are utilized by 4 fluorine atoms to make covalent bonds. An oxygen atom is forming double bonds with xenon means 2 electrons are utilized. So this xenon is containing 5 bond pair of electrons and 1 lone pair of electron. So here the expected geometry is octahedral, but due to the lone pair bond pair repulsion, the geometry is square pyramidal. The second molecule given here is BRF3. Here central atom is bromine with 7 electrons in their valence shell. Among the 7 electrons, 3 electrons are utilized by 3 fluorine atoms to make covalent bonds, and the remaining 4 electrons are producing 2 lone pairs. The expected geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, but here due to the presence of these 2 lone pairs, they will produce lone pair and lone pair bond pair repulsion. So the shape of this molecule will be T shape as per the given structure. So XeOF4 has square pyramidal shape and BRF3 has T shape.